Nomadic Elephant 2016 is the joint military exercise of India and which country? Mongolia. Operation Suleimani has been launched in which district of Kerala to eradicate poverty? Kozhikode. Who is the author of the book Alphabet Soup for Lovers? Anita Nair. The Tubo Canal is associated with which sports? Rowing. Which is the major religion in Japan practiced by more than 50% of the people? Shintoism. Which acid is present in the soya bean? Phytic acid. Who chaired the joint sitting of the House of Parliament? Lok Sabha Speaker. What is the theme of 2016 World Intellectual Property Day? Digital creativity. Who was the author of the biography The Indian Struggle? Subhash Chandra Bose. A person who died after a 63 days long hunger strike. Jatin Das. Who among the following was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress in 1928? Motilal Nehru. In 1946, an interim cabinet in India headed by the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. The Deccan Right Commission appointed in the year 1878. The Syrian Catholic Church at Kanjur is associated in history with Shaktan Tamburan. Which Chalcolithic site is considered to be a regional center of the Ahar culture? Gilund. The first in the site Harappa was excavated by Dayaram Sahni. National Institution for Transforming India Ayog formed in 1st January 2015. Which was the first poem written by Pandit K.P. Karuppan? Stotra Mandaram. Who was the third signatory to the Malayali Memorial? Dr. Palpu. The place of origin of the river Valapattanam is Brahmagiri Forest. Who led Kallumala agitation? Ayyangali. India's first soil museum in Kerala is located at Parattukonam. Who was related to the Mudugulam speech of 1947? Manat Padmanabhan. Kannimala teak is one of the world's largest teak tree found in Parambikulam. Chattambi Swamingal gave a detailed explanation of Chinmutra to Swami Vivekananda. What was the original name of Kaikad Ayya? Subbarayan. Which is the smallest national park in Kerala? Pambadum Chola. The Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act was enacted by the Parliament in the year 1986. The judges of the subordinate courts are appointed by the governor. The emergency due to the breakdown of constitutional machinery in a state, Article 356. The term of the Lok Sabha can be extended for 1 year at a time. Which of the following tax is totally assigned to central government by constitution? Corporation tax. There is a special offer for linguistic minorities in India under Article 350B. Lowering of voting age in India is done under which Amendment Act? 61st. Which part of the constitution deals with Panchayati Raj? 9. Which of the following program considers the household as the basic unit of development? Integrated Rural Development Program. In which year Food for Work program was replaced by National Rural Employment Program? 1918. Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana SGRY is launched in September 2001. Which is the most important of all self-employment and poverty alleviation program? IRDP. Under which program 8,742 new houses have been constructed and 8,742 new houses have been upgraded during the year 2001? IAY. Valmiki Ambedkar Awas Yojana was started in Kerala during the year 2001. Balika Samruddhi Yojana was launched on 1997 August 15. Integrated Child Development Scheme ICDS service are rendered through Anganwadi centers. 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits. Which among the following is not an example of an optical storage device? Floppy disk. The proprietary software, which is initially provided free of charge to users who are allowed and encouraged to make and share the copies of the program, which helps to distribute, it is known as shareware. FPI stands for frames per second. Which one of the following is not a web browser? Zapier. The term virus stands for Viral Information Resource Under Siege. The protocol used for email service is SMTP. Who is the CEO of WhatsApp? Will Cathcart. Forgery of an email header so that the message appears to have originated from someone or somewhere other than the actual source is known as email spoofing. Which one of the following is not a microprocessor manufacturing company? Microsoft. Maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in p orbital 6. Thermodynamically the most stable allotrope of carbon, graphite. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. The communicable disease that has been fully controlled by a national program is smallpox. Which of the following is the sedimentary cycle? Phosphorus cycle. The nitrogen base which is not found in DNA, uracil. Which of the following produce antibodies in blood? Lymphocyte. Name the nitrogen fixing bacteria found in the roots leguminous plants, Rhizobium. What is the theme of 2016 Zero Discrimination Day? Stand Out. Which country has the highest proportion of 95% Buddhist population? Thailand.